Is that good? I love you too. You're welcome. She says thank you for lunch every time I feed her. She gives me kisses. Huh? Is that good chicken? And think Auntie Lala, she gave us that chicken. Yes. Says I'm eating egg and broccoli and some chicken and some pears. Yeah. Aw. I'm glad you're happy, sweetheart. You my happy girl. Take a drink of water. Yeah. It's good chicken, huh? I cooked that with basil pesto, and garlic. Mmm. Mwah. Your favorite Elmo on? I just took a 3-hour nap. Oh wait, that's exaggerating. I think it was 2 hours, but it was enough for me to get stuff done. Hi. Hey. I love you. Mwah. Mm. Yes, we give kisses now. Yeah, small bites. Look at that bite. That's a big bite. It's a big bite. Thank you for only eating half of that. Don't worry about sugar. She'll come in when you're done eating. You should eat all your food off your plate. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. Okay. That's your baby girl. That's how awesome it is.